Number 1. Choosing a profitable niche. Tips on how to choose a niche that will generate income and interest customers. Hello and welcome to this video on choosing a profitable niche. One of the most important steps in building a successful online business is selecting the right niche. Here are some tips to help you choose a niche that will generate income and interest your customers. First, identify your passions and interests. This will make it easier to create content and products that you are passionate about. Next, research the market and identify areas where there is high demand but low competition. This will give you an opportunity to stand out from the crowd. Remember to focus on a specific niche rather than trying to appeal to everyone. This will help you build a loyal audience and establish yourself as an expert in your field.